Brown County. They have a swimming pool. Just took a dip. That felt really good after our long, hot drive. Stopped for gas. Stopped for Steak and Shake. I'm ready for that burger. Did I pack? I did pack a cup. Good burger.
Here we are in Bloomington. We're about to go to La Pizza Pasta Buskers.
So we got here by driving our moped.
Yeah.
It does get us around very, very well. So I have to say that this, we filled up with $3.
$3.
Gets a full tank.
Miles.
Our RV, we filled it up $100 for
300 miles.
Yeah.
This is
We are here at
Buskers.
and we think we're gonna get this appetizer, Scamorza. It's got a little smiley face next to it, so it's gotta be good. And then I'm also we're gonna get these calzones.
Hi there. My name's Aaron. I'll be your server today.
Hot. So this looks pretty good. We both got calzones. Which kind of calzone did you get?
I got the barbecue chick calzone. It
And
looks very good.
I got the meatball heaven calzone.
Well, Buskers was really good.
I would say it was a lot of food. It was a good price. It was a good place to eat if you're looking for something.
Now we get to figure out how to get our leftovers inside here. Here we are in Bloomington. As you can see, the beautiful campus is quite spectacular. And here we are at Bloomington's Art Annex. All here welcome, so it probably will. There it is.
Hey everybody, we are out here in Brown County cooking up some burgers. What are we trying to do on this trip?
We're just trying to meet new people right now and broadcast our experiences.
Can't forget about Molly.
Okay.
Hey Ma. I'd say this is our first campsite, but so far I'd say we're the oldest
Camper for sure.
Oldest camper.
The youngest people.
We doing it with style.
Live into